Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Andre Guetta, and today I'm looking for my Easter egg as an Easter bunny. Come on, let's make this worth it. Kinda leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Help me reach 2,000 subs. Let's do it, guys. Come on. As you can see, I now have hell freaking yes. Without further ado, let's freaking do this. Come on.
Look! Wow! Amazing!
Hi.
You please! You gotta sing!
Happy birthday, pare!
Look! Buang bayot mo din eh!
Ah, shit. Sarap naman ng bird. Sumata makakita ng gigantic nang wala sa oras eh, no? Gusto mo makita?
Sure.
Gago pa siya. Gigantic, okay lang? Gusto mo may kapatid?
Sure.
Sure! Wait lang, gago. Hindi pa kasi tumitigas eh. Mamaya na pag tumigas na konti. Wait lang kasi, yung makan baka matuluyan ako. Wait lang, gago. Teka.
Sabog ka ba, pare?
Hey! Hello!
Hi, what's up?
Hello, what's up?
Are you vlogger? Are you vlogger?
Yes.
Feel ako prank me! Are you pranking us?
No.
Uy, basta na to si YouTube, ikaw ang mga YouTube na kami!
Ang lag nyo, guys.
Hi, ate! Alam mo na mga Lexi Laura atake?
Sana all.
Edited yun, te. Edited. Wag ka.
No, it's not.
Ate, wag mo kami ginagago dito. Edit yan. Hindi ka maniniwala.
It's real.
Ano?
I promise.
Weh. Hindi na. Bigyan mo ako ng 3 words na nagpapakilala na totoo ka. 3 words. Masarap, maganda, masikip. Yun, ganun ba? Masarap, maganda, masikip.
Salamat, pare.
O, di ba? Talia, nakakabit lang yung ulo.
Anong nakakabit yung ulo?
Wow! Hi! Hi, be! Good afternoon, be! You're so beautiful, be!
Thank you.
Welcome! Love you!
I love you too. Sing me a song.
Ang laki.
Come on, sing. I'm waiting.
Can I sing a song for you?
Sure.
Blue ba yung kay? Now you're all that I want is that
Ayos yan, pare. Pagpatuloy mo lang. Hi, ate. How did you know? Subscribe ka na lang.
Ano name?
Andre Guetta.
Ang ganda! Totoo yan? Totoo yan?
Hindi.
Magkano yan? Kailangan ko kasi eh. Kailangan ko.
Wag na. Maganda ka na kung anong itsura mo ngayon.
What the f*** are you doing?
I'm looking for a Easter egg. I'm an Easter bunny.
We have Mr. Bunny. This is the Mr. Bunny of us.
Can I see your Easter egg?
Can you show your Mr.
Oh
Bunny?
my God!
Yes.
Bakit ba tayo nag-i-English?
Hey, ooh, wow.
Hi.
You look so good.
Thank you.
You're giving me like Catwoman. Do you know that from Marvel?
Yeah.
Yes. Bye girl, you look so good.
Huh?
What just happened?
I don't know.
Ay, lalaki ka ba?
Oo, pare.
Sabi ko na eh.
Pwede na!
Ang pangate, SpongeBob.
Are you ready, kids? Sabihin nyo, ay, Captain.
Ano?
Sabihin nyo, ay, Captain.
I am Captain.
Ay, Captain. Tama.
Anong ginagawa mo dito, Totoy? Bakit ka naman Makyu?
Kalawa niya ka na dahil tutuod.
Bakit ka naman Makyu? Wala mo akong ginagawa masama.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hi guys.
Hello po. Kami ang Super Kids.
Ganda niyo po ate.
Salamat.
Hala! Hello po!
Hi.
Streamer yan eh. I-upload mo po ba yun sa ano mo?
Okay lang ba?
Okay lang po.
Okay.
Ganda mo na nga.
Salamat Totoy.
Hindi ko na-expect yun.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Bawal bata dito pare.
Help me! Help me!
Bro, what the f are you doing? Stop! Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Anong ginagawa mo dito, Totoy?
Ninong Raul. Bakla ka yata eh.
Paano mo nasabi? Wala akong maintindihan, pare.
Pwede na! Can you speak Tagalog?
A bit.
Speak Tagalog.
What do you want me to say?
Pogi ako!
Pogi nga ako, pare. Tama ka.
You know? Sabi sa'yo, pre. Angas! Angas siya, angas siya. Angas, angas.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Ah?
How are you doing? Sabi ko, kumusta kayo?
Ay, gago. Babae, akala mo babae. Laki yung boses.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Gaano ka?
Looking for an Easter egg. I'm an Easter bunny.
Oh, okay.
Can I see your
Okay.
egg?
Why?
Because I'm an Easter bunny.
Can I see you too?
Sure, my brother.
Ate! Ate! Wait! Bastos!
Huh?
Hello!
Hi.
How are you?
Andre Guetta.
Nagago!
You're so pretty. Anong skip? Ba't mo ako i-skip?